different strategies with regards to shooting.
The shooting.
Shooting.
I think one of my favorite aspects of competition this year would be the driving aspect, because there's a lot of shooting and contact with other robots, and it's a big change over Into the Deep from last year, where it was just every robot's in their own corner of the field. Now there's a lot more contact and involvement with other bots, so I'm really excited for that.
Definitely working with the other people that are part of robotic. Really amazing people. It makes the whole process really enjoyable. And also just being able to see your bot succeed on the field, it's really rewarding and really satisfying and makes all of it worth it.
I enjoy building robots and working with other people.
I think it's super engaging, and I get to make my own stuff, I get to add it to the robot, and I get to see how it actually functions.
I enjoy being part of the community and how we can just come up with ideas together, meet up every week.
Aside from the technical aspects, which I really enjoy, the programming, I also really enjoy working with a team, because you can get a lot accomplished with a team more than you can with yourself, and you can you can push through challenges and things like that. There's a saying that goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And I think that really encompasses what we've done on 369, and every challenge we faced, we're able to overcome it as a team.
I enjoy that I get to learn new things and challenge myself in building things that I can add to the robot, and I really enjoy the environment that we work in.
Having a team around me who can support me, you have to go through a lot with your team. Like last year, for example, during Worlds, 3 days of competition, and then you live in the same hotel with dinner each night. I think that makes a really special and nice experience for you. But even without Worlds, I think experiencing all these failures with the robot and trying to troubleshoot together, I think that unites people.
I enjoy the community a lot. There's everyone playing together, everyone brainstorming, and people going to their different tracks while still making a product that we know we put a lot of work into.
I think the part about us that is special is the dedication we put in. Well, first of all, not only did the team welcome me when I joined from R&D, but additionally, our team is staying for super long hours. They're doing it completely willingly, and they're staying happy. They're still engaged. They're still making progress, and I think that's a huge part of it.
I think the team is one thing that's special about the team is how every problem they come across, they try to solve it with dedication, and they'll stay long hours willingly, and I think that's really cool. And I also enjoy that everyone's so welcoming and nice.
I think it's how we don't give up. We keep going whatever challenge we face, and I think that's really what's important about the teamwork. Because if you're alone, you can give up after a challenge or something. But when you have a team that you're working with and everybody's motivating each other, then you can face every challenge and try to learn and grow.
I think for our robot, I like how simple it is, where we're able to iterate off of it, but it still performs pretty well.
I think one of the biggest challenges we face is definitely finding a design that will work to all the problems that we wanted to accomplish with this bot. And we kind of overcame that by just taking things slow and taking things step by step. As we found an issue, we would work on fixing a mechanism that will target that specific problem. That way we can, instead of jumping into something really big, we were able to move step by step and kind of keep working along the way.
I would say the first one, especially at the start, although we did progress on this over the summer, but losing a lot of our members because last season we had a lot of seniors, but also people moving to other teams. Over the summer we got new members, but we also trained our current members to be strong enough where we can start this year again. For our bot though, it was really the demand issue, because at the start of the season we didn't have any of the flywheels or motors that we needed, so trying to prototype with a 300 RPM motor with a TPU wheel for a launcher sucked. But once we got those parts, we actually proved that we could build something.
I think one of the challenges we face is that there's a lot of new concepts this year for programming, on the programming side, I mean, from compared to last year, because there's like more vision involvement this year and more complicated programming techniques that we haven't explored before. But I think we're able to like kind of like learn more from other teams and also from like online resources and things like that. And we've also been able to learn a lot from our scrimmage and be able to iterate, and that has helped us a lot this season.